Sometimes I like to do quick little collages in my art journals where I just take elements from my hand-carved stamps that I've stamped and I've cut out, and I use those to collage something quick. I like using a minimal amount of collage elements when I do this because I don't feel like collage needs to have a million layers or a million different elements. So today I thought I would share with you 3 quick, simple, charming little collages that have a little bit of a landscape feel. No, they have a landscape feel, and they're super easy, and I think they turned out really sweet. So I want to share them with you. I'm going to use my little art journal here, and I talked about it in another video. I will leave a link for it in the description below. So this particular art journal I had bound with signature wraps. Now these wraps on the signatures, they can sometimes just be aesthetic, but in this particular case, for this specific book, it was a necessary part for the binding. It secured the signatures to the book board, and by the time I was finished, it was just a little too bulky, and they were too rigid, and they just got in my way. It was just too much, and I had to cut them down. So I started with one just to see how it would work, and it worked perfectly. So I went ahead and removed the rest of the bulk of these signatures that were just getting in my way. And I think it worked out perfectly, and now I'm not so frustrated when I go pick this up and I want to play with it and use it. Okay, with that out of the way, you get an idea of where I'm coming from with this book. These are short, sweet collages that you can do quickly, and I'm just gonna put some music on and we're gonna watch my process. that was a lot of fun. I hope you're inspired. I hope you can see how easy collage can be. You don't have to overthink it. You can just use a basic subject or an element that is just very simple and go from there, and don't overthink it and don't overwork it. There's no need. Just have fun and play and explore. Okay, I want to welcome all of my new subscribers who have joined me recently. I thank you so much, and all of my old subscribers too. You guys are awesome as well. Everybody's awesome who's hanging out here with me, and I really and truly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video.